Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, I'm gonna go over my impressions of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 after using it for about 24 hours at the taping of this video. Now, when you see the video, it may be a little bit longer, but I want to go over the things I like about it and some things I don't like about it. But before I get into this video, check this out.
24 hours later.
Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna go over my impressions of using the Galaxy Z Fold 3 after 24 hours. I don't know if you watched the unboxing or not. I was very excited. I feel the same way about it right now, but there are some few things that I'm noticing that I kind of dislike about it. I will definitely talk about those and get into it. First thing I want to talk about is the overall design. Look at that. Man, that is beautiful, isn't it? Some things I noticed about it that kind of irks me, and let's get into it. The first thing is this display in the front. Yes, I know about it. It's just kind of skinny. You don't really realize how skinny it is until you actually use it. It is actually hard to type on it. It's hard to watch anything. So you find yourself trying to open up to the big screen. Sometimes you don't want to use the big screen. Yeah, it's very small, narrow. Now, is it a deal breaker? No, because you have the bigger screen, so you just open it. But sometimes you may not want to open the phone. You might want to just text really quick or type out an email. And when you type something, it's funny. But let's see. Let me bring it up. So if I bring up Telegram, just the keyboard down there is so small to type on. So it's just, I don't know, the screen is narrow, just, yeah. But it's not a deal breaker. I just want to point it out. If you like that front screen, let me know in the comment and everything else because, yeah, it's just really small. Also, when you open the phone, and I knew it too, I've seen it on videos, but the one thing that you can't get away is that crease in the middle. You can actually feel it too a little bit. I didn't notice, or I didn't really hear anybody talk about it too much. I guess I didn't watch too many full videos earlier, but you can actually feel the indentation in there. It gets annoying. It actually is, it's quite noticeable. Again, it's not a deal breaker. I'm not going to return the phone because of it, because it's still a cool experience. I'm really enjoying the phone. But these are just some things I noticed that kind of bug me, or some things I don't like about it. The other thing is that the phone is heavy. It's a heavy phone. I think it's even heavier than my V60, which was a heavier phone. But again, these are not deal breakers. These are some things I didn't like about it or noticed that, you know, kind of bugged me a little bit. If you have anything, if you have the Z Fold 2 or this phone here, y'all let me know what some things that bug y'all. Again, I know this phone is actually lighter than the Z Fold 2, but I don't think by much because it's definitely a heavy phone and it's a big phone. I did mention the crease in there, but the display is also cool. It's big, 7.6 inch AMOLED display. 120 hertz refresh rate. So again, the crease is something else, but the display, look. And just the overall build of it. I love the color. I love the matte finish of the green. And the display is man, the excitement in my voice, I don't know if y'all can hear it. It's just great. All right, so the next thing I want to talk about is the battery. Battery life is still in question. It's learning me. I know I've been having it off the charger for about 15 hours. So it's getting through the day for me. I don't know what the screen on time. I haven't looked at it. My main thing, can I take it off the charger at say 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning and can it last through the day? Yes, it can last through the day. I'm at 38% right now. So I can put it on the charger, charge it up and not have that problem. So battery life is still in question, more tests to come, but just the overall experience of having a Fold, like, I was flexing at work today. I was just doing this all the time and people was like, man, that phone's so cool. What it does, you can fold it. I'm telling you, I didn't think of it when I seen everybody with the Fold 2, even Gigi with the Mate X2, I think that's what she has. It's just a different experience. I mean, I know they talked about it on Eric's live stream. Like I said, I was bored with tech. I'm not bored with tech anymore. This makes you change it. It's just a different experience with a phone than having just say like a slab like this. It's just a different experience. It's amazing. The screen is fluid with the refresh rate and everything else. Overall, it's been a really great experience with it. The speakers sound good. I'm definitely might do a speaker test. The cameras, I like the cameras. Yes, I know it's no different than the Z Fold 2, but the cameras have been pretty good too. You should check out my camera test I did with the 4K 60. I post that I think earlier today, so you probably will see this one second during the day, so check out that video if you haven't. The last thing I want to talk about is the overall fingerprint scanner. It works amazing. It's really quick. It does a good job. Again, it's on the side, so it's kind of got to get used to it. Maybe one day they can put it in the display. That would be actually even better too. That would be pretty cool. But overall, 24 hours later with the device, and I am loving it. Yeah, it's really great device. I know it's a lot of money, $1,700, but they have trade-in deals that you can get. If you're thinking about getting it, and go for it. Try to do the trade-in deals because it's just a different experience with this phone. It really is. It's just a different experience. I love when you can do stuff like this. So if I'm on Facebook, bam, right here, and then you just open it up. Look at that. That is just beautiful. That is so cool. It's just cool to do it. You can flex on people and everything else. So 24 hours later, I'm still loving it. I will keep y'all in touch, give y'all more updates, maybe 2 weeks later, and see if anything changes. If I have any hiccups, I will definitely update y'all on the battery life to see how good it actually is. And if it's horrible, I will let y'all know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.